Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing a kimono jacket and a trousers. Yes, kimono jacket and a trouser, how to cut and how to sew it, just like the way you're seeing the picture. So we're going to be cutting it together and we're going to be sewing it together. So this is a kimono jacket. Yes, let's go. So welcome back if you're OG here. So let's go into the tutorial fully. So we'll be folding our fabric into 4 parts like we we should do. Iron the adire properly outside. So this is the adire ironed out already, you can see. So this is it laid out properly. So I'll be using a 3-inch by the side first. You can see that's 3-inch. So we'll be rolling out 3-inch from that's the front side. So roll out 3-inch straight down. This is after I've gotten my length I wanted. So 3-inch straight. You can see the neck. I curved the neck, so that's it. So I'll be using the scissors to cut out what I've just done. You can see that's after I folded the fabric into 4 parts. You understand? So fold the fabric into 4 parts so you can get what I've just gotten. So that's it done. Remove that one away. So now I have you can see how it looks at the front. So I'll be notching the neck and also be measuring the sleeve I want. So for this one I'll be measuring 20 because I will have like 6 inches from the adire to it. I'll make it 26. So this is 20, you can see. So 20 is what I'll be doing for the sleeve for the adire. So I'll be marking out. So you can see that's 20. I'm marking out 20. So I'll be rolling a straight line down. You can see straight line 20. Then I'll be cutting it off. So that will be excess cut off. So don't forget that I folded the fabric into 4 parts. So yes, if you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Kindly consider subscribing. If you are an OG, thank you for coming back again to my channel. So that's the basic cutting for this one. That's how to cut it basically. You can see there's no gimmicks to it. So this will be the neck. The adire will be the side. This plain fabric will be the neck, because I don't want the adire to be too much. So that's what I'll be doing. You can see. So I'm cutting the fabric now. So yes, I'll be moving to the cutting of the front part. Like I said, I like to make sure that the front is plain so that it brings more beauty to it, not all Asooke and all those things. So I make 5.5. What I did for my front is 5.5. 5.5 inches. That's what I do for the front. So I roll it out. I cut it out like that because I'm only doing the front, so I don't need to cut too much excess. So I'll be doing that. You can see. So I'll be joining the neck together. So I'll be cutting the pocket now. So next is to cut the pocket. So the pocket is 6 inches by 5.5, if I'm correct. Yeah, but you can decide on what you want for your pocket because at the end of the day, it's totally up to you in terms of the pocket. So yes, 6 inches by 5.5. That's what I'll be doing. So after that is being done, I'll be ironing the front. I told you this front is what I'll be using for the front. This navy blue. So iron it's quite flat, so it's easier for me to stitch on it. So yes, going to the machine, I'll be putting the 2 edges together because that will be the part I'll be putting for my neck. Yes, because I wanted to make sure that it's at the neck part. So you can see that's that. Please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly consider subscribing. If you have been here in my channel before, welcome back again to my channel. God bless you for coming. And yes, you can see I'll be joining this to the neck now. I notch the neck and I'll be putting it around from the neck to the back to down on both sides. So if you're new to my channel, I drop many videos from how to make trousers, pockets, elastic, how to make pants, shirt, boys clothes, men's clothes, women's clothes, all of it. Please just kindly check my channel. Please also kindly subscribe. If you have watched this exam, please just give it a thumbs up. Let YouTube be able to recommend my videos to other people to watch, please. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Have you subscribed? I'm waiting. Either you're watching it on your TV or on your mobile, you can subscribe on both aspects. So please kindly consider subscribing. Yes, so that's me doing the other side. So I've just overlocked it. I overlock the one I just stitched. I'll be top stitching it. That makes it more firm and more certain. You can see, so it's not that it's moving up and down. So I'll be top stitching that. It's very, very necessary. So I'll be putting the Asooke now. You can see. Yes, I left like 1 inch at the beginning because I'll be cutting that one to be used for the folding of the head because it need to be neatly done. Yes, so this is me doing the down part first, and I'll be going to all the down, both the front and the back. That is done, and I'll move on to the sides now. I'm going to doing the sides now, so you can see. So I'll be having an extra at this down also because I'll be folding that part also. If you know Asooke, you know that you need to make sure that the edges are neatly done. If not, they'll start losing out in terms of the threads. So that defeats the whole purpose. So that's what I'll be doing, and I will be putting allowance to the beginning of it. You can see. So there's a mistake there to close it down and put more allowance. Yes, more space. So if I'm cutting it, it's easier for me also. As you can see, so that's what I'll be doing. Continue all the way down. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Please like and share, drop a comment. So I'll be overlocking each of the edges. All of the edges I'll be overlocking. So that's what I'll be doing. I've just done that already because of time. So I'll be folding the edge. So I'll overlock all the edges and I'll be folding them like you've seen now. You can pause, please kindly pause, play as much as you want, as far as you're getting it. I want to minimize the video so it doesn't take longer time for those that are experts and those that are new. Please kindly pause and watch again as much as you want to. Please, I think there's a button on the YouTube that I can allow you to slow down. Yes, you can. So now this is the pocket part. So this is what I'll be putting my Asooke. So I'll be dividing the Asooke into two. So it gives. I don't want the pocket to be too big. And I want to incorporate the two, both the Asooke and the plain fabric I use for the front. That gives it a lot of beauty and not like the regular Asooke, if you know what I mean. So you can see the beauty is way different from just having the Asooke all over. So yes, I'll be to put this on. I'll be putting it 20 inch. I'll mark 20 inch from the shoulder down, then 5 inch from the sides. Yes, 20 inch from the shoulder down and 5 inch from the side. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll pin it down, then I can stitch properly. I'll take it again, 20 inch from the shoulder down, then 5 inch from the center front, which is the front side. So that's what I'll be doing. So pin it down on two sides so it doesn't move while you're stitching. It's very, very important. So that is that. So move on to the next one. So have you subscribed? Please, if you are watching this extent, please kindly consider subscribing. So now the pocket is done. What is left to do is to put my logo on it. Yes, very, very important. I'll be putting my logo on it shortly, because what's my brand without my logo? That's what shows the word about my brand. So that's me. That's the logo, and the brand name is Larry Arrow Signature. Please kindly check us out on Instagram, and you see how marvelous and great we do. Also give a follow or follow for follow. So yes, that is that. So on the side I want to stitch now, I'll be marking 10 inch from the shoulder. 10 inch from the shoulder. So for the width, totally depends on your client, depends on what measurement you're working on. But because I'm working on a free size, I'll just assume one of the styles, and I think I used 13.5 on this one. Yes, that's the beauty of it, because the freeware, so I want people to, it's on demand, so I want it to just come in and buy. Exactly. So I took 10 inch from the shoulder down. I'll be taking the same 10 inch from down up also. Yes, 10 inch from down up also. So same thing goes for the other side also. So now that I'm done, it's time to iron it properly. Yes, you know Asooke. You know, Adire, if you're not careful, if it's not properly ironed, there'll be a lot of layers upon layers, and that's not the beauty of it. So now, here's what I'm doing, properly iron it out. Okay, on both sides, remove every excess. If you have watched this extent, please Kindly subscribe. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah, so this is the final outcome. So see you on my next video.